Hey everybody, Bart here from Family of Steel. I just want to give you guys an intro to our shop today and what our shop looks like. So if you didn't, we actually make them here in our garage. We've got our plasma machine table over there, the computer set up, and some of the other odds and end tools that we use. As you can see, everything's pretty messy. That's because I literally use everything, and I didn't take the time to clean up everything for this video, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour around. So essentially what we do is we start with the design and put it here on the computer, and then once we put it into the computer, then that machine down there essentially makes an electrical charge and passes it through this line until where we cut it here into the metal. What we have right there, these are adjustable tips, so I can actually remove this, and I do watermarking here and engraving with this little guy, and then when I pop it off, then I can replace it with a plasma tip that actually cuts through the metal. So that's something cool that we have there. And then after we cut it, we bring it over here to the sanding table, knock off some of the hard edges with this angle grinder, and essentially after that point, then we put it here in this tumbler, which is really just a cement mixer. So, but we got real creative, and this thing works great for tumbling off some edges. At that point, then we bring it over here, stick it in the vise right here, and we use this tool. Well, bam, that's a air sander, although it's electrically powered, but it's still called an air sander, not really sure why. And that's how we get that little tab thing cut out there, if you can see that. Oh, there, right there. That's how we cut that little tab there. So then after that, then we polish it up with the orbital sander, and at that point, then we bring it back over there and we put our watermark on it that says Family of Steel, soap and water, and then it's ready to go. And that's essentially how we make our bottle openers here in the shop. And so this is just our garage. Yeah, it's a real simple setup, so it's nothing complicated, but there is a lot going on here. So I just wanted to give you guys some insight of how we make our bottle openers and what we do. And so yeah, love these things, they're fun, and this is a great business. So anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.